garden and I saw Becky. I was like, "Hey, Becky," and she went. I was like, "What's wrong?" And she was like, "Oh."
Why would a cat speak to you?
No, she was just meowing.
Oh,
and then
right,
she
I
was
think
like,
about Becky Clement. So the garden going, oh, oh.
and then she kept on going, "Oh."
Yeah, it is.
Right? And I was like, what the fuck? And then she went like that, right? And I was like, so I went closer and she had a bird.
Can you not stand on my jumper, please?
I'm not
Oh, it just turned off.
Clearly, what?
It just turned off. Because the
She
body
was,
ran away.
she was like,
What?
because she had the bird in her mouth and I couldn't see it because it was
How
dark.
loud can you do that?
So you heard this. Louder, come on.
That tickles your throat.
Happy birthday to you.
What
Do you
was
have
the thing you
any-
said today? So,
do you have any candles? I'm having a birthday party and I don't have any candles for my cake. I don't have any candles for my cake and I'm turning 12. I'm on 29, but they were telling me. Let's see. 021. That's right. Ah!
She was laughing like that all day.
Ah! I've got tear.
I did not land it in your mouth.
Sorry.
Oh.
What's wrong with my voice? Sorry. Hayden!
You can sit down if you want, by the way.
11:56.
It's not even on.
What the hell, man?
Look right at the camera.
Happy birthday! It's your birthday today!
No, it's mine.
Merry
What?
Christmas!
What? That's sick.
That's sick. It's wet paint.
It is. She's right.
It's dry paint.
It's actually
Wet paint.
Blibble.
wet paint. What is this?
Wet paint. Sorry. Say that, will you?
Bye. Press stop, Lisa. Press stop.
How?
Bye.
What button?
Bye now.
What button? I like that.
Bye.
Press the button, Lisa.